Hello everyone, how about you? Welcome to my new video. Today I want to share you about insurance. What is insurance? There are many insurance in our society. Car insurance, life insurance, and etc. etc. So now I am telling about it. Now click on Google and open Google search bar and type insurance. What is insurance? Insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It is form of risk management primarily used to hedge against the risk of combinator or uncreation loss. And an entity which is provide insurance is known as a insured an insurance company, an insurance carrier on an underwriter. There are many insurance website here: life insurance in Canada, travel insurance India, US insurance company. Insurance definition: what is insurance? Insurance is a contract respected by a policy which is individual or entity receives financial protection or reimbursement against loss from an insurance company. The company pools client risks to make payment more affordable for the insured. Another website, life insurance in Canada. Click on Canada insurance for New York. A life insurance premium tax debit in Canada. Life insurance premium: the monthly or yearly fees for your policy and intend to be affordable. After all, you buy it protect your loved one's financial future. But what if you can take that security further by finding more way to save, like deducting this premium from your taxes? Would not that make life insurance that much more effective? Are life insurance premiums tax deductible? Can you write off life insurance premium on your tax? Qualification qualification of qualification criteria: deposit it being qualified as a personal expense. You can equally for a tax deduction. So bye bye.